Window flashing installed wrong can totally wreck your day by letting water sneak in during heavy rain and causing leaks that mess up your walls and floors. So, first off, if you want to avoid that nightmare, always check your flashing whenever you notice any water stains or leaks near your windows. Make sure the flashing overlaps properly so water can't get behind it. Think of it like an umbrella for your window. Use high-quality waterproof tape or sealant to cover gaps, and don't just slap it on. Smooth it out so no water can find a way through. When reinstalling, peel back any old flashing carefully and clean the area before putting new stuff down. Always start flashing from the bottom side of the window and work your way up so water flows outward, not inward. If you're unsure, watch some tutorials or ask a pro to make sure you're getting the right angle and overlap. Remember, even a tiny gap can cause big leaks, so take your time and be thorough. Finally, after reinstalling, test by spraying water on the window from outside to catch any weak spots. One of the biggest mistakes with window flashing is not overlapping it correctly, which lets rainwater seep in. Fix that by always layering flashing starting at the bottom and working upward. Another common problem is skipping the cleaning part before installing new flashing. Dirt or old adhesive stops the new flashing from sticking tight, so clean it well before you start. The last big issue is using cheap or wrong materials that break down fast in weather, causing leaks sooner than later. Invest in good waterproof flashing and sealants to keep your home dry longer. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to spot for finding trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with window flashing and other home fixes. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get steady work by connecting with homeowners who need help right now.